Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I want to show you how set mobile data limits on your Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Plus. First step to do is opening Settings application. In it, choose first connection and there data usage. In it, billing size and data warming, and there we can set our data limit. First step, when our size start, maybe first day of each month. There by this switch we can easily enable or disable data warming, and we can set it by click there and write how many we want. Maybe we set 6 gigabytes or megabytes, what you need and prefer on our warming, and confirm it by set. And the same with set data limit, we can turn on it and set it in gigabytes, megabytes, what you need. Maybe we set 8 gigabytes, and that's all. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye.